Biokera Fresh, the fresh and natural recharge that your hair needs. A natural and comfortable experience. Formulas based on cocktails of natural ingredients that care for your hair. Enjoy the power of nature with the highest percentage of organic ingredients. Dermatologically and clinically tested. 100% vegan hair care. No ingredients of animal origin. Everyone needs to switch off, and your hair does too. Combat stress and detoxify your hair with the Green Shot Hair Care Treatment, formulated with a cocktail of natural ingredients, including apple, aloe vera, green tea, and mint, with an apple scent for an experience that's just yummy. Does your hair need an energizing boost? Repair and protect hair and add movement and shine with Yellow Shot. Formulated with banana, mango, ginseng, and ylang-ylang extract in a supremely natural cocktail. Banana scented with a hit recovery result. Say bye-bye to the dreaded frizz. Brassy blonde? That's just out of the question. Brighten your hair and recharge your color with Violet Shot, an exclusive formula with lavender, acai, blackcurrant, and beetroot extract that tones your hair color so you can say goodbye to brassiness. With lavender fragrance of natural origin for a sublime experience. Prevents aging and oxidation for #forever blonde hair. Biokera Fresh, a natural and comfortable experience.